All right, welcome back to day number 81. Today we took one short, we took one loss, but it's okay. We followed the plan. We gave a stab at the shorts, didn't work out. Was also a reduced loss, so ended up being the right call. So I started watching price action shortly before New York session started and shortly before 2 p.m. So I was watching closely the 2 p.m. close and also waited for 3 p.m. because things were still not certain. So if you look here, my bearish bias, although this technically could still be bullish, like we're going down here and then this holds, or maybe this order block holds and then we go higher. But seeing us sweep this, break this internal structure, sweeping the highs and then fail to close above this candle made me bearish. Not only that, but if you look at the 4 hour, you can see we swept that. So my target for the 4 hour could be that we might go to this 4 hour fair value gap or this 1 hour order block. So if you go back to the 15-minute, you can see that we break structure on the 15-minute. At this point here, this is around 3 p.m. I waited for a pullback into the 15-minute order block, which is this one right here. I also waited for a pullback into the 5-minute order block, and then I waited for a 1-minute bearish market structure shift, which was this one right here. So once I see us touching this, seeing this order block here forming, and then we close below it, I said, okay, maybe the 15-minute manipulation is in, and we move bearish from now. And also the 1 hour manipulation is in, so it would stop at around this area. And then we might move bearish. We ended up reacting very, very, very nicely. And at this point, when I see this candle down here, I said, okay, I don't want to still have my stop loss here. I want to move my stop loss to slightly above these highs because if price comes back up, I want to see it at least respect this fair value gap. And if it wicks through this fair value gap, I want to see it respecting this order block and then go down again because at this point we are in this 5-minute candle and we could still just touch it for the next candle and then sell off and make this a whole order block. Now, we ended up taking that loss and you can see that we are basically just range bound for the day. So you can see that we ended up closing here at this candle close. I actually got slipped a little bit, but I think that was only $10, so not really much. And now the price just ranging around, so I'm just deciding to call it a day. Overall, pretty happy with the execution. Also pretty happy how I managed the trade. Again, I'm happy to take this one as a probability loss. So hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow for day number 82.